Oh my god. Go.
Alright, guys.
I better get fucking famous for this. Alright?
Excuse me.
No, you're not gonna get famous.
Hold on, Chris.
I am the king.
Do it again. Roll around for a sec.
Yeah.
That nigga.
How do you feel, Chris?
I think you should probably get inside.
You guys are pansies. This is why we're gonna get famous for this video, because you locked the door.
Yeah, we better. Fuck.
Yeah,
I'm cold as shit.
Me too.
Hey! Minsky's Pizza! Minsky's Paw! We came to deliver a $5 sucky fucky.
They got him to answer. That's how you do it right there.